If you've got nothing to do, well, I've got a couple of tricks for you. So take a look at this, 'cause it's life hacks for kids. Hey there, fellow outdoors friends. I'm Gillian, and today's episode is Camp Like a Champ Hacks. I have a soda, a book, some playing cards, and a family-sized bag of chips. All for me. Time for a little snack. Looks like it's called family size because it knew I would need their help. Looks like it's time for my first hack, my can on a stand drink holder. For this you'll need an empty and cleaned out can, Mod Podge, a pen or Sharpie, scissors, some cardboard, fabric, a wooden dowel, a paintbrush, and a hot glue gun. Hot glue the inner rim of the can. This will dull the edges. Carefully cut the label off of the can, but be careful not to tear it. Use the label to measure a piece of fabric. Cut that out. Use your Mod Podge to glue the fabric to the outside of the can. Now seal the seam with some more Mod Podge. Grab your cardboard and your can to trace and measure a circle. Then cut it out. Now use your thumb to measure two sides of a triangle. Cut that out. Use that as a template to make two more. Glue your cardboard circle to your dowel, like this. Now glue the triangles to the side. These will be reinforcement. Now glue this to the bottom of the can. And then just stick it in the ground. Much better. Sitting and chipping, my favorite camping activity. And now I have free hands to fend off mosquitoes! Oh, this is gross. I should probably wash my hands. Good thing my next hack's my Suds and Scrubs soap sack. For this you'll need a washcloth, a bar of soap, scissors, a ruler, a Sharpie, and a hot glue gun. I'm using a small bar of soap, so you might have to make your pouch a little bigger. Lay out your washcloth. Measure 9.5 inches by 4 inches and cut that out. Put your soap in the middle of the washcloth. Fold your washcloth over so it covers 1/3 of the soap. Glue that down. Remove the soap. Now fold over the other side so it overlaps and glue that down. Now flip your pouch inside out and put your soap inside. Now you have a handy loofah and soap bar all in one. So clean. Siri, lights out. It's getting dark. That means it's time for one of my famous scary stories. Once there was a little girl who lived on a farm. One day she told her mom, "Mommy, I'm going to pick some oranges." And that's the last anyone ever saw her. Legend has it, when it's really dark and quiet, you can hear her say, "Orange, you scared?" 'Cause I scared myself a little. That's That's not supposed to happen. Officially creepy. Better make some light and fast for my final hack, my fruity fiery candle lamp. For this you'll need an orange, a paper towel, some olive oil, and a knife. Have a parent cut your orange in half. Pick the side with the stem. You can eat the other side or put it aside. Now use your knife to carve out the fruit. Start separating it from the peel, like this. Then remove one piece at a time. Make sure to leave the stem intact. Now fill your orange with olive oil to just below the top of the stem. And you're done. Mom! Dad! I need you to light this orange. Nice and warm. I revamped my camp and I'm amped up and ready for some s'mores. Some more s'mores. Whatever, it's just time for the marshmallows. Remember to subscribe to DreamWorks TV and let me know what hack was your favorite in the comments below. And catch you out in the wild, or at least in the next episode of Life Hacks for Kids. See ya!